Do you remember the days of high school? It's June. The weather is great and the temperature is high. And you are in your summer clothes. But you have one more hurdle to get through.
Final exams. As you walk into that chilly gym and sit down with your pencil, prepared to regurgitate the information that you have packed into your memories overnight. And so it begins. Your educational fate.
Seems to be a popular opinion that tests are bad.
Oh yes, Andrew Duffy said, test taking causes anxiety, illness, and fatigue among students, which it affects results. It can also contain poor cultural bias or wording that contain questions and answers can be influenced by luck and cheating. Test taking also encourages cramming, which doesn't help long-term education.
True, according to Leahy, research shows that cramming only works in the short term, only allowing students to regurgitate the information for the exam the next day.
But this isn't the intended goal of education.
Right, and one attempt at a solution is the idea of open book tests, explored by Johan, Dinkins, and Moore. They found closed tests lead to direct memory retention of facts, but only if effective studying is used. Cramming for closed tests shows no benefits over open book tests.
Open book seems less threatening, but I thought they showed less long-term fact retention.
True, but they also offer higher development of critical thinking and understanding of the general content. The idea that in real life we will generally have technology with us. So, an important skill is knowing how to search for and interpret information.
Well, I heard Ontario is doing something different called summatives.
Yeah, it's an alternative form of assessment. This includes projects, lab experiments, interviews, artwork, or presentations that assesses higher level thinking skills and easily mirrors educational goals. As well, it encourages creativity, provides challenging activities, and can suit individuals' needs.
But it's not coming post-secondary, and I bet it takes more time to mark.
True, according to Duffy, there has also been complaints about increased stress over a period of time versus short-term stress exams cause.
So we should just do tests then?
Maybe. According to Duffy's comparative paper, exams are the time-tested, proven method for teaching students. It forces students to use writing skills and produces results that are easy to compare. Then, according to Henry Rudiger, a cognitive psychologist, when testing is used properly, it has a powerful effect on long-term retention. Immediate and repeated testing of material strengthens memory and is known as the testing effect. Test taking stimulates active learning by engaging students with the material.
Please no.
As well, according to Jessica Leahy, we should be testing students more, not less.
Oh God.
She claims exposing students to frequent low-stakes tests will reveal gaps, lower anxiety, build confidence, and foster active and continuous engagement with the material.
But wait just a second. I wonder, if test success is due to active learning, could we not just use alternative summative methods that engage students in the same way?
You bet. According to Miller and Marshall, the likelihood of retention is greater when we struggle with the material by answering complex questions or relate the new content with material we already know.
So, why should we take any of this into consideration? Well, once you start your career, you'll be entrusted to make assessment decisions. You will have to make choices about things like exams, quizzes, or other alternatives. You'll not only need to decide how to assess, but what you'll weight each portion.
Besides, as educators, is it not our duty to stay informed and weigh the data presented in order to make the best choices for our students? I think so, but that's up to you to decide.
So, I'll ask again. Do you think exams are effective tools for learning?